number 5? How can we make number 5? 2 plus 3. 2 boats plus 3 equals 5. Okay, now let's change the examples. Let's take blue boats. Let's take. How many boats have I got? Let's count. How many boats have I got? Look.
3.
I have got, say, I have got 3 boats. Okay. 3 boats, and let's have a look at the white. These are the white boats. So what number is it? What number is it? Is it number 5? No. What number is it?
Number 6.
This is number 6. How can we make number 6? Say. Speak English. Say. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Yes, that's right. Good for you.